Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. Be healthy and be safe. As we all know, we have completed 6 chapters of the subject ICT. From now onwards, we will be doing some revision of these 6 chapters and we will be dealing with some of the important topics in each video class. So let us start today's class. In the previous class, we have done the revision of chapter 6. The chapter name is Into the World of Wonderful Sky. And we have studied the definition of stellarium, how to open stellarium, some of the tools. We have studied 5 tools in stellarium: location window tool, search window tool, date and time window tool, ground window tool, Centron selected object. These are the tools which we have studied in Stellarium software. And we have studied the activities like how to view a planet in Stellarium, how to identify constellations, waxing and waning of Moon and Venus. So these are the things which we have studied in the last class. Now, the learning objective of today's class is that the students are able to know about how to open applications in Ubuntu. So that is, we have studied 6 chapters in this subject. And in each chapter, we are dealing with different softwares. So in the first chapter, we have studied LibreOffice Writer. In the second chapter, we have studied the software called Marble. In the third chapter, we have dealt with an application called LibreOffice Draw. In the fourth chapter, we have studied GeoGebra. In the fifth chapter, the web browsers like Firefox. And the last chapter, we have studied Stellarium. So totally, we have studied 6 applications. Okay, so today we will be studying how to open each applications. So that is a very important topic at the exam point of view. So you need to study how to open each applications. That is very important. So I have prepared a table for that, so it will be easy for you. So let us check the table. So this is the table. So steps to open each application. So I have given serial number. There are 6 applications and I have given the name, also the steps to open each application. Okay, so the first one is LibreOffice Writer. So we all know what is LibreOffice Writer. So LibreOffice Writer is a software. What is its use? It is used to create posters and all. Okay. So how to open the application LibreOffice Writer? Yes, first we need to go to application, then Office, and then LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so this should be thorough to you. So in exams I'll be asking like this, I'll give you the wrong information. Okay, suppose for example I'll give you application graphics LibreOffice Writer. So what is the mistake there? Yes, graphics is the mistake there. So how to correct it? You have to write as application office LibreOffice Writer. So these type of questions will be asking always. Okay, so you must be thorough about how to open each software. That is very important. That is why I have prepared this table for you, so it will be easy for you. So once again, how to open LibreOffice Writer, applications, Office and LibreOffice Writer. So this topic we have studied several times, but no problem, we are revising it again and again to be thorough for you. Okay, so what is the second chapter we have dealt with the software or application called Marble. Okay, so it is like our Google Maps. Okay, so in Marble, how to open Marble? Yes, first you have to go to application, then education, then click on Marble. So please study that application, education, and then Marble. Next, in the third chapter, we have dealt with the application LibreOffice Draw. So it is nothing but what is the use of that software? Yes, to convert the concepts into pictures. So it's very simple. For example, in your school, for each class you are having 3 divisions or 4 divisions, right? For example, your class 6th standard is having 3 divisions. Okay, so 6A, 6B and 6C. So you will be converting that concept into picture, right? So you in a box you will be writing standard 6 and you will be subdivided into 3 boxes. In that 3 boxes you will write 6A, 6B, 6C, like that. So it is like a software like that. Okay, so LibreOffice Draw, from the name itself we can understand the definition. It is nothing but to convert the concepts into pictures. Whatever concept you are getting, you can convert into your own picture. Okay, so how to open that LibreOffice Draw? Yes, application, graphics and LibreOffice Draw. Okay, so don't get confused that it is the name is like that, like LibreOffice Draw. Okay, so don't confuse that the step is like this: application, office, LibreOffice Draw. No, the LibreOffice Draw is a software in graphics. Okay, so please thorough that application, graphics, LibreOffice Draw. So in the exam I may be giving like this: application, office, LibreOffice Draw. So what is the mistake there? Office is the mistake there. So you have to correct it as application, graphics and LibreOffice Draw. Is it clear, dear students? Okay. Next, the fourth one, GeoGebra. How to open GeoGebra? Application, education, GeoGebra. Very simple. So application, education, GeoGebra. Now the fifth one is Firefox. So from the name itself you know Firefox is a web browser like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge and all. Okay, so how to open a web browser Firefox? Yes, application, internet and click on Firefox. Okay, so study that: applications, internet, Firefox. And the last one, Stellarium. Okay, how to open Stellarium? Applications, education and Stellarium. Application, education and Stellarium. Okay, so this table is very important. So you must know how to open each application. Okay, so in the exam point of view, how the questions will be asked? As I have already told you, I'll give you the wrong information, so you have to correct it. Okay, so please study this. This is very important in your future classes also. It is a must topic, so you must know this. Okay, so that is why I have given in a table. Okay, I have prepared a table like this. So please study this. This is very important. Okay, students, So hope all are clear about today's class. So in the next classes I will be giving some of the important topics in each chapter. So today's topic is this: how to open each application. Okay, so from the next video class I will give you the other important topics in exam point of view. Okay students, so as a homework you have to write down this table, the above table of steps to open application in your notebook neatly. That is compulsory. I will check in the next Google Meet class. Okay. So dear students, hope all are clear about today's class. This is a very important topic, how to open each application. Okay. So in exam point of view, this is very important topic. So study. So thank you very much, my dear students.